y'all, so we're back. I had a good night's rest. Oh, I needed it. Look who we have with us today.
Hey guys.
We got Karina, and she's gonna be coming with us to Catalina Island. It's gonna be her first time going there, so she's gonna get to see how beautiful it is over there. Our plan for the day is to meet up with the rest of the group that ended up staying there overnight and just ride around Catalina Island. But first, we gotta go get breakfast there and then show her like the town of Avalon. Right now, we're walking to the ferry over here. It's only like a 5-minute walk from our RV resort. But if you ever want to take the ferry, make sure, especially on a weekend, you do your reservations early because they literally sell out.
But you know, some become available here and there.
Yeah, because some people will cancel, but then that means you have to constantly check it because once it's available, just because it's in your cart doesn't mean anything. You better freaking purchase it. So good. It's right there. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day.
Oh my God, that's really good.
Me, look at this. Chicken fried, and it said real chicken. These guys are ready for this California Pacific Coast water temperatures. And look what I'm wearing. Maybe I'm not prepared. I don't know. Gosh. Are you ready?
Yeah, I guess.
So we're saying bye to Avalon, and now time to get on the Seadoos and look around. Are you ready? Oh, she's ready. Usually she says, no, I'm not. So now we just wait for our ride. We're going to go down there, tell them what buoy we're on. They'll take us there. We'll disconnect. And then we'll go. We'll probably get a little bit of fuel at 2 harbors. I don't think we really need any, but we'll just see if the line's long over there. Are y'all ready?
Yay! No.
Who said no? I always say no.
Yeah, so you leave your ski out here and then it just drifts and then or it'll drift that way and then somebody will pick you up right there and you hop on. You're gonna get in? That's the cave. All right, so we're gonna be dropping off Janet right there in the cave. I told her what to look for and we'll just be waiting for her right on the other side. So I can't go all the way in because there's kelp. Don't worry, that's just kelp. The same way you were swimming. No. You might hit like rocks underneath, but you have shoes on. Just don't lose the camera. Okay. You go around. Yeah. brave girl. She could do it. Meet you on the other side. Alright, so we're over here at Two Harbors. There's fuel over here at Avalon and Two Harbors. Thank you very much. Cool.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
And the Harbor Patrol here is on channel 9 if you guys need to know.
Okay, 9. Just put 4 gallons in here because it is 7 something per gallon. I didn't fill up all the way before coming here because Seadoo was in the water at the time. So we're all fueled up, and I only put a little bit because, you know, it is expensive here. And then we're heading back to Long Beach. Wish us luck. Hopefully it's not choppy like the last time.
It's been so long I can't remember your taste now, and the weight of your touch. It's been so long I can't remember what it felt like to drown in your love. It's like I've been walking here for days, lost in the dance. So babe, I cannot forget you. Boy, like water, baby, water. You're like water, baby, it's like I've been walking here for days. All I need is one drop and then
They're not walruses, they're sea lions. They're sea lions. They look so happy. You like it? That's what I wanted to show you. From Long Beach to Catalina, and I mean, you have any thoughts on this trip, Trina? No. It's wonderful. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. It's so worth it. You can always still fly here. You can check out the links down below with. I'll put the link for Uncharted Society and jet ski to Catalina. So. You know what? You don't even have to, if you don't want to drive and bring your own PWC, or you don't feel comfortable, you know, bringing yourself all the way over there, you can just hit them up and book a tour, and I'm telling you, they really do show you a good time. All right, y'all, so I am back at the RV, as you can see, and it was kind of crazy at that boat ramp. I mean, like a bunch of rental like private rental people that were there, and when that happens, a lot of people don't follow the rules or have common courtesy. But if you are on a boat ramp, just make sure you're not riding fast, doing donuts in the no wake zone, especially near the boat ramps. And then also, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. And of course, if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because it really helps out the channel, and you're not gonna want to miss this whole series of this West Coast road trip, because up next it's gonna be Lake Mead, and then Lake Mojave, and then Lake Powell. So you don't want to miss any of those episodes. One more thing, if you want to see stuff that's happening more like recent and what's going on live or just up to date, go ahead and follow me on Instagram or Facebook, because I always post on my stories. Okay, but until next time,
See you guys on the water.